Hey guys, what's up? Welcome into the farm, and your boy Matt here, just checking in. And today we are planting some broccoli, and we're doing it the right way. So we're planting it right in here. You can see right next to these asters, and we would plant it over here, but if you look, it kind of gets really wet down here. There's swamp right over there, and especially right here at the beginning and ends of the row, it gets wet, and these aren't growing the best. So if we put another row right here, who knows how well they would grow. So that's why we're planting them over there. All right guys, let's rip and roll. We're probably gonna have to go over this like 4 to 5 times, because you want to really get it for broccoli. You want to get the soil nice and deep, because it really helps them if they have a good, nice root system to produce. It's honestly rototilling a whole lot better than I expected it to do. The second pass is actually going pretty smooth. Don't knock on wood or plastic. You can see how deep down we're getting right in here. It's probably like 4 inches. I don't know, 4 or 5 inches right in there. So we're gonna try to get just a hair deeper, but that's kind of the goal. This ground is gonna be fluffy like a marshmallow. All right, so we're done with the initial rototilling. We still got to get our fertilizer over here and then spread that out and rototill it one more time, get that nice in the soil there, and then we're gonna plant it. Honestly, I did not think it was gonna turn out that well, that fluffy and that deep, because just the other day I was rototilling for another crop and the ground was so stinking hard. I had to go over it like 7 or 8 times and it still was terrible. But anyways, we got it done. But we're gonna go grab some. We actually have some amazing peach crisp that I have right here in front of me, and it's amazing. All right folks, finished up that amazing peach crisp and ran over to the stockpile, grabbed a bag of Revita Pro fertilizer. It's 545. And it's organic, which is the best part, kind of. It works great. It's composed mainly of like chicken manure and then some other stuff that makes it really good. It's got boron, different nutrients in there that really needs in there, that the ground needs. Let's get spreading it. Oh great, should have brought another bag. I guess I'll run grab another bag, for Pete's sakes. My lazy self would say, just fudge it. You know, it's an experiment, see whether that stuff works or not, but we're doing it right. So when you do it right, you got no other choice but to do it right. Alright, so we're down here with the broccoli, and this variety of broccoli, after it produces the first head, it produces side shoots, so you get 2 crops off of it. We're about to plant these, and hey Sam, don't step right where we're gonna plant, buddy. Alright, so We're gonna plant these out every 15 to 18 inches. Oh, look at that, Sam. See that? I just tossed that down. You could not do that if you tried.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. I almost don't even need to plant that. Well, that's how like soft the soil is. So when you plant the broccoli, I know you can see that purple part. See that, Sam? See that purple part? It kind of stops right there. You want to plant all the way down to that purple part. And get it nice and deep, like that. And you kind of want to leave a little like crater around it. That way when it rains, the rain goes into the hole and no rain is wasted. So that's actually a little bit close. So about, there you go, about 15 to 18 inches. Cover that up, nice like that. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how it goes, right, Sam?
Yep.
Yep. How fast do you think we're gonna get this done?
15 minutes.
That's right. Let's go. Start laying them out, brother. All right, folks, we are absolutely 100% cruising in beast mode. So we're already over halfway. Soil is perfect to plant in right now. So I'm loving it. I really am. So not quite halfway, probably like a little over a third of the way. So let's keep ripping and rolling. Well, guys, we did it right, and that's the most important thing. You can see here we planted nice distance apart here. We weren't hurting for space, right, Sam? So we got it all done. Great. We did it right for another reason that I forgot to mention, is because we're supposed to get a hard rain, and whenever you plant plugs like this and then you have really fluffy soil and it rains hard, the weeds don't grow through the crust as well. But then you have the plants that benefit from the rain. So you don't really have to weed it as much. All right, guys, that is it for today. I will see you guys whenever I see you next. See ya!